Hello guys, today I'm here with a new tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show how to dual boot macOS Big Sur and Windows on PC. Before starting the process, here is some information about dual boot. Dual boot in single drive requests installing macOS first and then Windows. If you've already installed Windows and want a dual boot, you'll need to back up your data as installing macOS requires full disk format and all the data on the drive will be erased. So, we advise you to back up first and then proceed. Also, dual boot on two separate drive is the best way to dual boot two OS, and both the OS must be installed in the same boot mode, either legacy or UEFI. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go and subscribe to our channel and stay connected for the latest updates. So guys, let's start. For this purpose, you will require macOS Big Sur installer, which can be downloaded via Apple Developer ID, Balena Etcher for creating Windows 10 bootable USB, command file for creating macOS USB installer, OpenCore configurator for mounting EFI partitions, pre-configured EFI according to system specification, and Windows 10 ISO file. And don't worry guys, all the download links are provided under video in the description. And also two USB, one with minimum 16 GB and other 8 GB. So, the first step is to create macOS installer USB. For that, plug your USB, and as you can see the USB appeared here. Now, open Disk Utility, and erase the USB with following parameters. Click on Done, and close Disk Utility, and Utilities as well. Now, open the command file, and copy the whole command, and paste it to terminal and press Enter key. Enter your password, press Y key to confirm. And now, the macOS install USB is being created. The USB has been created. Close and quit terminal, and open OpenCore configurator, and mount the EFI partition of your USB flash drive. Close and quit OpenCore configurator, and copy the EFI folder, and paste it to the EFI partition of USB flash drive. Close the folder, and copy OpenCore configurator, and paste it to USB. Close the folder, and eject the EFI partition, and USB as well. Now the next step is to create Windows 10 USB. For that, plug your USB, and as you can see the USB appeared here. Now, open Disk Utility, and erase the USB with following parameters. Click on Done, and make sure to eject the USB. Close Disk Utility, and Utilities as well. Now, open Balena Etcher, click on Flash from File, locate the Windows 10 ISO file, click on Continue, select the destination and click on Flash, enter your password. And now the Windows 10 USB is being created. Close Balena Etcher, and now we are ready to install. Power on your PC, and press Delete key to enter your BIOS. Now, go to Save and Exit tab, select Load Optimized Defaults and press Enter key. Now select Save and Exit Setup and press Enter key. Your PC will restart. Boot back to BIOS. Now change the following settings. Go to Exit tab, and exit the BIOS saving changes. Now, plug macOS Big Sur USB and boot to boot menu. Select Open Core and press Enter to boot. So, here is only install macOS beta showing. As I'm using new SSD, press Enter to boot. Select your language, and click on right arrow button. Select Disk Utility, and click on Continue. Click on View, and select Show All Devices, and select your drive instead of any partitions, and erase it with following parameters. Do not panic to create partition for Windows 10. It will be created later on. Click on Done, and close Disk Utility. Now, select Install macOS, and click on Continue, and proceed with the installer. Select Hackintosh HD, and click on Install. And guys, during installation, your system will restart several times, so don't worry about that. And while we've booted to Big Sur, and now continue with the setup. Continue with the keyboard setup. And now, copy the Open Core configurator to your desktop. Close the folder and Open Core configurator, and mount the EFI partition of both USB and system drive as well. Close and quit Open Core configurator, and copy the EFI folder from EFI partition of USB to the system drive. By doing this step, you will be easily able to boot directly without USB. Close the folder, eject both EFI partitions, and USB as well. Click on Apple logo, click on Restart, and uncheck the box, and click on Restart. Now, let's check our hardware, to check if everything is working or not. The audio and the audio hotkeys works perfectly. HDMI is working too. The Bluetooth is working. Wi-Fi is working. Let's have a look at another stuffs. Internet is working. Let's check the sleep wake. Sleep wake is also working. Now let's check the hardware specifications. Now we need to create partition for Windows 10. For that, open Disk Utility and partition your drive. And now partition the drive according to your need, and apply with the following parameters. Now it will shrink the main drive and create the partition for Windows. Click on Done, and close Disk Utility, and Utilities as well. Now, restart your PC. Plug Windows 10 USB. Press Enter key to boot. So, here is Windows 10 installer screen. Continue with the setup. If you have the Windows 10 product key, enter it. If not, click on I don't have product key. Choose the Windows version you want and click on Next. Now here be careful, do not delete the EFI partition as well as macOS partition. Now here, delete the created partition for Windows 10, which was allocated previously on macOS. Make sure to delete the partition, otherwise you will not be able to proceed. Now select the unallocated space and click on Next. Now eject the Windows 10 USB and let the system boot. Configure your Windows 10, and proceed with the setup. Firstly, connect your PC to internet, and now, update your Windows 10, as it will install the required drivers for your PC. You can also install your drivers manually, from the manufacturer site. Update process has been completed. So, let's check its hardware specification. Each and everything is working fine as expected. Now let's test dual boot is working or not. Shut down and start your PC again. And open Core should boot automatically with both the options, macOS as well as Windows. So here both the options are being populated. macOS has been booted successfully. Restart and check Windows. So, the dual boot is working. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And for more updates, stay connected. and have a great day.